Anchor is the voice of authority. Ang anchor tigsalo sa tanan whenever there are flaws, whenever there are glitches in the presentation. Nagani gamay mistake sa iyong kauban, kinawala anchor, as what I stated a while ago, ad-lib immediately. Give an ad-lib. So the anchor is the one who is really the overall voice of the production. Kaya di magkadimao po ang anchor sa voice, siyempre, wala po ng tanan. And he is the one who is giving or making the sequence, starting from the very beginning of the report down to the end. Siya may the sequence na, and who will do the reporting, I mean who will give first the report, the second reporter, third, and so with the last one. So that's the work of the anchor. News presenters are the storytellers. As what I have told you a while ago during the lecture of broadcasting, TV, you are the reporter, I mean you are the storytellers. Pwede man ka mag-istorya bisag TV o bisag radio lang, though you couldn't be seen, pero ang imo manggong pag-nodding, pag-smile, or whatever expression you're going to apply will affect your voice. Do you believe in that? Okay. Kaya pinong istorya mga magmugtok lang ka, imong tuno, muraragid po wala. Kaysa kung imong babae at inagat mo, mag-smile-smile ka, musakay mong kilay, affected imong voice, di ba? Muna, i-apply yun na siya. So, storytellers, if you are a storyteller, you can do everything to make your face move, and that will make your voice be up. So, the purpose why you're going to staple your script below the area is if you are already facing the microphone, especially if the microphones are so sensitive, even though how you slowly move the papers, kung anak ka, pasaka, mutingo gina, madungo gina dito. So careful ka. Ang mahitabo, balihon na lang ako. Kailangan na dahil siya. After reading, hagbong ra. Mo na yung mahitabo. Hagbong ra siya, so wala yung sound naman niyo. Gawa sa bikuratan ka niya, important mo.
Ayaw. Butangin mong emotions.
The prospect of acting is really
Like that. I'm here, black. Talaga niyo?
Stress mo?
Stress ang editor mo.
Oh, napajuban na editor na mahilak pag ginainig.
Video na sa station.
As we witness the brains
The truth is our priority.
We need justice for your curiosity.
Only here on
BC Double B 1.5 Mugya Power Station.
the most latest news. I'm Rima Iguana Kitoko.
The country's hottest and sizzling issue. I'm George J. Sayers, giving you the truth, nothing but the truth. No bias, just news.
And for our latest, hottest, and unbiased news for today,
And for our international news,
Marcos calls for a successful end Taiwan, Korean, Russian, and Ukraine conflict.
for our national news,
Time for Seeing Chang Assembly to explore exciting news options. And for our latest news slogan,
3-day District Journalism Enhanced in Kanda in Mutya National High School.
Marcus Paul's Peaceful and Taiwan, Korean, Russian, and Ukraine conducted. For further details, here is Richelle Stolola reporting.
President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. called for a peaceful resolution to the conflict in the Taiwan Strait and Korean Peninsula and the war between Russia and Ukraine. China has conducted military drills close to Taiwan and cut off weapons and climate change cooperation with the United States following U.S. House Speaker's Nancy Pelosi's recent visit to Taiwan.
Thank you, Rachel, for the details. For our national news, time for singing Champ Zeppelin to explore exciting new options. Here's Jack Agong for more details.
When the prospect of acting used to intimidate her, Zepanese is now open to doing soap operas or seminar operas or similar projects should be the opportunity ahead in future. Since referring the Caparo Network last March, the 19-year-old singer has lent her voice to the teleserye Denso. Her next goal is to put out our new album and hold concert Nothing is Impossible. I hope I get to do a show soon. Once it's really safe to do so, she said.
Thank you, Jack, for that detail.
Mutya National High School conduct 3 days district journalism enhancement training. For more, please after this break.
Energy, energy, got it, energy, got it. Milo every day, Milo every day.
This reminder is brought to you by this station that gives you power. Mutya National High School conduct 3 days district journalism enhancement training. For further details, here is Sandara the Pin reporting.
They conducted a 3-day district English Filipino student campus journalism enhancement training and workshop on September 23, 25, 2022 at Mutya National High School main campus. The people who are included in the program are the student journalists, teachers, school paper advisor, source speaker, and the principal. This is Sandara Dapin reporting.
And that will be all for the latest news that we gathered around the globe.
This is Rima Bana Mitokwa.
And Joel J. Reyes Jr. giving you the truth, nothing but the truth, no bias, just news.
Okay, that was great, team number 1. And now let's listen to team number 2.
Tujuh and coverage. Power Radio is an active member of the Kapsalan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Time check, it's 9, it's 3 p.m. It's 3 in the afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mutya. Good afternoon, Zamboanga del Norte. I am Margaret L. Sumika.
And I am Aris M. Bijaon.
And for today's headlines,
And for the international news headlines, World Vision joins Globe Sabah movement to help alleviate hunger.
and for the national news, Marcos calls for a peace talk among the countries Taiwan, Korea, Russia, and Ukraine.
And for the weather updates, daily weather forecast, wind and coastal updates.
And for the entertainment news, Zephanie Limarangan is ready to explore new exciting options.
And here are the details for headlines.
And for international news detail, World Vision joins Globe Sapag movement to help alleviate hunger. Christian humanitarian organization World Vision Development Foundation become the newest member of the Globe of Good Ecosystem of Partners joins Globe's Hunger Alleviation Program, the Hapag movement.
And for the national news, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. called for a peaceful resolution to the conflicts that have happened in Taiwan and Korea, and also the war between Russia and Ukraine. He stated his speech on Saturday at the Asian Society headquarters in New York. He said, "We are certainly concerned about rising tensions in Taiwan Strait, the north of the Philippines. We urge all parties involved to exercise maximum restraint, dialogue and diplomacy must prevail."
We are back for today's Twitter update. Let us have our newscaster, Mr. Clint James.
Forecast weather condition from Central Luzon and Isabela. The weather condition is stormy and it is caused by STS 13 and the impacts are moderate to heavy damage to structure and vegetation. From Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Ilocos Region, Cordillera Administrative Region, and the rest of Cagayan Valley, the weather conditions is rains with gusty wind, and it is caused by STS 13. And the impacts are possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate to heavy rains. From Mimaropa, Bicol Region, and Visayas, the weather condition is cloudy skies with scattered rain shower and thunderstorm. It is caused by southeast monsoon through STS 13.
And for the entertainment news,